You ever hear someone say the right things, all of them, but something felt off? That's because your body speaks before you do, and it tends to speak louder. Before you say a single word, your body is already talking. And if your posture, your gestures, your eyes say, I don't care, well, guess what? That's the message I receive, even if your words are perfect. In this video, we're breaking down how to align your body language with your message so people can feel your presence before you even talk. Let's start off with breaking this down because this is important. The reason is because your body language is 55% of all communication. Like more than half of what people remember from your message comes from how you look, how you move, and how you show up. So if your words say, I care, but your shoulders are hunched and your eyes are to the floor, I believe what I see, not what I hear. And again, you can say all the right things. I'm excited. I'm confident. I'm ready. But if you're tight, if you're like fidgeting, or if you're like closed off, your audience doesn't feel it. And they feel what they feel, but what they feel sticks. People don't just hear your message, they internalize your energy. So if you're shrugging your shoulders, I already have something subconsciously in my mind. Look, I'm not asking you to move like a TEDx speaker whenever you have to like talk to people about your lunch order. Plant your feet, let your arms be free, not stiff, not hidden. Open your posture and just be present with people in the moment. See, the best speakers, they aren't perfect. They don't perform perfectly. They just speak authentically. And then we got to talk about eye contact because you could talk authentically, but I don't think you're looking at me. So make contact, hold it, smile, and move on. A glance with purpose, it builds trust. More than 10 flawless sentences. And remember we talked last video, 7% of communication is in words. The other 93 is in everything but that. So this is a lot. And nervousness is practical. It's important. But remember, we do it scared here. So nervousness is normal. But your presence, that's what leaks and that's what people feel. So be purposeful about your movement. Use your hands to reinforce your words, not distract from them. You're like a wacky inflatable arm flailing tube man. That's not going to work. So if this is you and you want to be very effective, I coach students, I coach organizations, I coach people to do it scared so that they can do it effectively, so that they can do it successfully, so that they can do it anyway. And if that's you, email me, message me. We should talk. And you're probably thinking, okay, you talked about tone, you talked about physicality, but like, what if my brain just kind of goes when I get to the front? Well, I'm so glad that you said that. Click this video and you'd be surprised how we can actually work, structure, scaffold, and systemize it so that you know what you're saying when you reach the front. That's my time.